This is part 3 of my academic characters responding to I'm Horny Text Thread, the Hero Edition, but I'm going to be adding some that are like supposed to be in the but that was supposed to be in the second one, so let's get it. Okay, first we got Tamaki. Tama, I'm horny, but Bunny, we're patrolling. Please consider me. I get a crumpet of dick. Next up is Ida. Babe, I'm horny. Right now, you want to give it a go? Yes. I'm on my way, darling. Next is Deku. I'm horny. But your parents are right next to us, puppy. Okay, never mind. No, wait. I'll meet you in the bathroom. Or the bedroom. It's your choice. Say less. Shota, I'm horny. And I have papers to grade. Sends an image. Teacher's lounge now. Yes, sir.